Today we're going to bring a fishing rod. This is a combo. Now there's no string on this one. This is a durable, it's carbon fiber, very durable, very strong. There's two pieces to it. We're going to take it fishing today, and look how beautiful design they have in here. Now you have a couple of things. You got minimum and maximum for the strings tension. You got a release button, if you guys can see that, the lock button, and then release button. All right, so this is a real durable sea or freshwater you can use it for. So today we're gonna take a look at it, and we're gonna take it fishing too there. So let's go and set it up first. We're actually enjoying ourselves. Beautiful day today. It's really hot out here, but we're making things really work well. Now this fishing rod, like I said, it could be for salt or freshwater. Now one thing that we did run into, we had to actually add oil to it just a little bit, like instructed. But once you do that, this thing's fearsome. Now we haven't caught anything yet, but if we do, hopefully we'll capture and film. But if you guys are looking for a kit ready completed, string not attached with it, you have to buy your own string, your own weights, and your own hooks.